There it is. 14th box. Let's get everybody tagged to it. Alright, we got Kyle. Austin. Dan. Tim. What are we going to pull? I feel like we need to pull something big. I'm feeling like maybe a big booklet hasn't been pulled yet in this case. Maybe we'll get lucky. I'm just tagging everybody quick and then we'll get rolling. Lorenzo. Yeah, you have the Cowboys. I'll go through it then. I'll run through the list right when I'm done tagging everybody. Pepple, Miguel. So glad tags are back. That was such a pain not having that. Justin, Michael. Kelly, Olsen, Chad. I saw that draft picks filled pretty quick. I have 5 of them sitting here. Debating how to do it though. Mark Adams. Might just do it the same way. It's easy. Scott. Scott. 2 Scotts. Alright, we got John. A lot of different people in this one. Travis. A couple more here and we're good. Jesse's in it. And I think that's it. NT number 14 is live. There you go. Yeah, that was a great hit. I'm wondering what's in the second one. That's almost, I think we have 11 teams taken so far in that one. Oh, that probably will go tomorrow. We'll see. And if you feel it quick enough, I'll do it. National. I'm just writing what it is so I don't forget. Quarter case. Box. 4/16/20. There we go. Alright, here's who has what, just so everybody knows. Burmaster's got the Cardinals. Dan, you have the Falcons. Ravens is Utz. Bills is Peter. Panthers is Jared. Bears is Anthony. Bengals is Austin. Cleveland Browns is Austin. Dallas Cowboys is George. Broncos is Chris Thompson. Pepple's got the Lions. Packers is Mike Jr. Houston is Austin. Colts is Justin Large. Jaguars is Austin. Chiefs is Mike Kelly. Chargers is Austin. Rams is Austin. Dolphins is Chad Ralph. Blake Craig's got the Vikings. Mark Adams has the Patriots. Saints is Scott Anders. Giants, John Donahue. Jets, Travis. Oakland, Scott Anders. Eagles is Jared. Pittsburgh is Austin. 49ers is Mike Kelly. Seahawks, Scott McEntee. Buccaneers, Jesse Castellar. Titans, Travis. Kyle Burmester got the Redskins. And Celebrities, Austin Lauer. I would love to see a celebrity cut autograph come out. That would be really cool. I haven't seen one yet. This is the 14th box. Maybe we'll get lucky. All right. Yeah. Let's go with it. Oh, yeah, you're talking about, what's his name from last night? That was a cool card. Pete Alonso. All right, 14th. I don't know if I can get more of this. I'll see. Hopefully, I mean, if it went up any more than what it did, it's not, I don't know that it's worth it. There's the seal. there is the seal. Let me get my gloves on before I forget. Alright. I'm running out of gloves. I've been trying to make them work, but like they're getting hard to find. You can't get them. I might have to order them online and have them drop shipped. Oh. I'll have to look into that tonight. Maybe I need some 5x5 boxes for packing too. A little bit bigger than what I have. Almost there. This right-hand glove always gets me. My right hand's bigger than my left hand, if that's possible. All right, there we go. All right, sleeves are here. Top loaders are here. Let's roll. All right. Okay. Here's the seal on one side, there's the seal on the other. And let's see what we're going to pull out of National Treasures tonight. We got another redemption. And it looks like 10 cards again. Okay, there they are. Alright, you ready? First card is going to Vinatieri. We had a Vinatieri Treasure Moments last night to start us off. This is when he was playing the Rams, 33 out of 75. So the Patriots are on the board first. And that is going to go to Mark Adams, I believe. Yep. So we have a Patriots hit starting us off. Treasured Moments. Then our second card is going to be Travis Kelce. 87 out of 87. Is that his jersey number? Yeah, it's another one of those jersey number ones. 87 out of 87. His jersey's 87. Red for the Chiefs. We had that with Josh Norman the other night with 24 out of 24 with the Redskins. That's pretty cool. So the Chiefs are on the board, and that is Michael Kelly with a Travis Kelce. Then we move to, look at some of these. That's a neat one. Dallas Goedert from the Eagles. That's a Gold Century Materials. Numbered 44 out of 49, so the Eagles get one. They named him Dallas, and he plays for the Eagles. And that is Jared. There you go, Jared. You got another Eagles hit. Century Materials. There's a cool looking stitching there. And we got this one. This is cool looking. I like this. And this one's going to Kyle Burmaster. Christian Kirk. That's numbered to 10. 1 out of 10. It's got the piece of the S in there, the stitching. You can see how it's kind of up at the top, has some stitching too. That's a dual for the Cardinals. It's got that refractor looking gold, you see it? 1 out of 10. Christian Kirk for the Cardinals. That's a nice looking card. I like that stitching. The S there. And there you go. Perfect fit. 1 out of 10. And then we go to the Patriots. Damian Harris. Dual. 28 out of 99. So Mark Adams grabs another one. Dual relic, dual jersey, whatever it might be. Number to 99. I'll see if I can get more of this. I don't know. If I can get more, I might try to get one more case. We'll see. Might as well get it while we can, right? Now we got another low number one coming up here. And this one is going to Travis Wyndham. Titans. duel. Look at that one. Number 2 out of 11, red, A.J. Brown. Look at the stitching on that. That's pretty cool. Travis Wyndham snagging that one at A.J. Brown, red. Dual relic or patch, whatever it is. Number 211. And then we get into the autographs. What do we got here? Clinton Portis, Redskins, Signatures autograph, 17 out of 99. Remember him? Clinton Portis, Redskins hit. Kyle Burmaster. Kyle getting a couple of them tonight. That's cool. Got a Portis, and you got a Christian Kirk. Redskins on the board. And then we're going to go to a rookie patch auto. Irv Smith Jr. Vikings. There it is. 14 out of 99. Vikings get one. Who's got the Vikings anyway in this? Blake Craig. There you go. You got an Irv Smith Jr. I haven't pulled too many Vikings. That's pretty cool that you pulled one. Spreading the teams out in this one. And it looks like we're going to continue to do so. Next card. The next one is going to be a... Oh, the next one's even better. Holy crud. All right. Charles Tillman of the Bears. Signatures autograph. 2 out of 75. So the Bears get one. Anthony Joseph. There you go, bud. Got you a Bears hit. That is not on card. It's on a label. That Irv Smith Jr. was on card. The last one we just pulled. You are welcome. There you go. And let me see who's got this next one. Hold on. All right. Final card of the case. 14th box. And I finally pulled it. Redemption rookie patch autograph of Daniel Jones of the Giants. Am I right? Boom. Let's go on to John Donahue. Daniel Jones, rookie patch autograph. Redemption card. There you go. It doesn't say. It just says rookie patch autographs. Card 162. It's probably just a regular one. Yeah, we haven't gotten him yet in 14 boxes. I think we got one dual relic, dual jersey card or something, and that was the only one. But there's his rookie patch auto. Final card of the entire case of 3.5 cases. And we got it. Congratulations there, John. Nice hit. Yeah, that fools you. Kind of takes away from it having it be a redemption, but you're like, yeah, I'll take it. I will take it. So, cool. Final hit there. We've gotten quite a few redemption cards in this case. So, that's the first card. Daniel Jones, rookie patch auto for the Giants. Redemption card. We got a Charles Tillman. Signatures autograph for the Bears, number 75. We have Irv Smith Jr. for the Vikings, number 99, rookie patch auto. We've got Clinton Portis, number 99, signatures card for the Redskins. We have a nice A.J. Brown red parallel dual, number 11. Pretty nice stitching and everything in that. It's a nice looking card for the Titans. We have a Damian Harris for the Patriots, number 99 dual relic. We have another one, Sunday Treasures, Christian Kirk from the Cardinals, numbered 1 out of 10. That's a dual relic with an S stitching in there. That's pretty cool looking. Century Materials Gold for Dallas Goedert, 44 out of 49. You got it there, John. And Travis Kelce, 87 out of 87 with his jersey 87. Similar to the Josh Norman one we pulled. That's a red for the Chiefs. And then we got another Patriots, Adam Vinatieri, Treasured Moments, 33 out of 75. Yeah, that's a sweet one. There it is. Daniel Jones rookie patch autographs. Number 162. Final card. We haven't gotten one of his the whole time. We finally got it. Nice cards. That's a pretty cool looking one too. I like that stitching. Number 1 out of 10. Christian Kirk. Sunday Treasures. That's a cool looking one too. A.J. Brown, number 211. Nice. Appreciate it, guys. I'll see if I can get more. If I can, I will. At the moment, I've got 5. Here, I'll pull them for you. Hold on. I have 5 of these boys. These guys I picked up. So, a quarter case. I saw that filled pretty quick. I'll get them up tomorrow. I've got some immaculate Flawless Baseballs up right now. I'll break it tonight if you fill it. 11 spots gone. Star Wars, if those of you are into that. I've got, I think, 15 spots taken out of 24. I'll break that too. So, yeah, cool. I appreciate it. Thank you again. Oh, you were going to buy them this morning and they're gone. Oh, man. Of course, we pulled on the last card. Oh, well, it happens. Yeah, this one definitely had a nice spread. There was only one team that got 2 cards, and there was 10 cards, so that worked out well. At least we got a lot more people than normal getting them. But I appreciate it. Thank you again. I'll be up and around. If you want to message me, feel free. And, yeah, have a great rest of the night. Thank you again.